This is a Mellif drill with a 2-amp-hour 12-volt battery. It's fully charged with a 5-inch hole saw on it. I'm actually doing a project right now where I need a 5-inch hole saw drilled. I need a 5-inch hole with the thing. And I'm going to do it with this Mellif drill. Then if Mellif sees this, hopefully the drill survives. Probably will. Speed 1. Just go slow. Ow. Sorry about that. Alright, it's gonna be slow, but just when I do this, I'm gonna try and edit it. I'm gonna put the timestamp of when it's done. Going down there decently. It's about 1/4 inch in maybe. So it's about 3/4 inch, so a little bit more to go. So far, drill's just now starting to get a little heat. Not hot, not cold, just warm. Tighten it down. And you can see it's in there a decent amount. It's poking through yet. It's not poking through yet. It's getting there slowly, but it is. You can see it's almost through. Sort of. If Mellif does see this video, do you have a safety cutoff on this thing? Because sometimes I notice that it will stall, and then it will not turn back on for a little while. You have to take the battery out and put it back in. am going slow. I'm not pulling the trigger in all the way. That's why it's stalling so much. Of course, I don't know if it would stall a lot going full speed, but yeah. Okay, I flipped the wood over. Alright, this side. Get realigned. Yep. So far, battery's still full. Drill's getting a little bit warmer. It's right now about 55 degrees in my garage right now. So, let's see what the temperature of this is at the end. That was scary. Okay, it's getting there. It's almost there, probably. Sorry about that. My arms are getting tired. Oh, starting to poke through right about there. So it should be there in the middle. Pinching. There we go. A Mellif drill, $50 drill with a small battery, with a 5-inch hole saw. Yeah, this is proof right here. Let me see how warm the tool is. Where'd my temperature gun go? Shoot. I have it somewhere. Oh, there it is. I was cleaning up a little bit, so that's why it's under stuff. All right. $77, $82, $80. So it got warmer, but it could probably do another 3 before it would be hot. Like and subscribe, please. I really want to grow this channel so it becomes like I can start making money, and then I can start buying better brands and better tools.